the disbursement of the funds to the beneficiaries now. And I'm going to start the disbursement with my beautiful wife, Dr. Mary Alile.
That's capacity.
And he has capacity.
Capacity.
The number one beneficiary on my list is Ogarewa Osarugwe Faith, Crop Science, University of Benin. Ogarewa Osarugwe Faith. You don't collect on behalf of the student. The student must be here physically. Yes.
On behalf of the Pius Alile Coalition, I want to give you this. Congratulations.
Akibo Favor Osega. Akibo Favor Osega, Unibank, Sociology and Anthropology, 200 level.
Congratulations.
On behalf of the Pius Alile Coalition, congratulations.
Favor Osatoane Idaosa, Unibank, Library Information.
On behalf of Pius Alile Coalition, congratulations, sir.
The next one on my list is Agarese Blessing. Agarese Asosa Blessings of Tometry Unibank.
On behalf of the Pius Alile Coalition, congratulations.
Adejoni Omorowiye Endurance. Adejoni Omorowiye Endurance, Unibank, Public Administration.
Congratulations to all our recipients.
On behalf of the Pius Alile, smile. On behalf of the Pius Alile Coalition, congratulations.
The next on my list is AIG Omoro Root Uluwata IG Poly Office Technology HND1.
Smile. On behalf of the Pius Alile Coalition, congratulations to you. Congratulations. Keep smiling.
Number 7 recipient, Irikefe Blessing Agogo, Unibank, Medical Biology, 100 level. Where is she? Oh,
Your village people don't do you.
okay, she's not here.
Your village people don't do you.
Okay, I should leave it here.
Oh, hi.
And let's see what goes on. The next one is number 8, Akabwe Okala, Pius, Unibank, Fine Art, 200 level. Akabwe Okala, Pius, Unibank, Fine Art, 200 level.
On behalf of Honorable Pius Alile Coalition, congratulations. And congratulations.
Number 9, Omoro Dampton, AAU, Production Engineering, 200 level. Omoro Dampton, AAU, Production Engineering.
Please, let's celebrate them as they come. Let's celebrate them as they come. Celebrate them. I know you can. Great students. Great, celebrate them. On behalf of the Pius Alile Coalition, congratulations.
Congratulations.
The recipient must not go home. You will stay here and take pictures and photograph with me before you leave.
You must not go home, if not, 2 years in prison.
Robinson Isosa Gospel, Unibank, Pharmacy, 200 level.
Wonderful, let's celebrate them. On behalf of Honorable Pius Alile Coalition, congratulations.
Okay.
Igbinovia Blessing, Unibank, English Literature, 100 level.
Remember, you are not paying back.
Yes, please celebrate her as she comes. I can see her come and celebrate her.
But you are giving back to the society. This is a laudable project.
On behalf of Honorable Pius Alile Coalition, congratulations, congratulations.
Ikpemosa Buti, Eriwa.
On behalf of Honorable Pius Alile Coalition, congratulations.
Anastasia.
Ikechukwu Charles Ukochukwu Unibe, physiotherapy, 100 level.
Yes.
Congratulations on behalf of Honorable Pius Alile Coalition. Congratulations to you.
Please,
Obi Precious Isosa, Usain Polytechnic, Public Administration, HND2.
all our recipients, please don't go home, stay back.
On behalf of Honorable Pius Alile Coalition, congratulations.
Oputa Blessing Osarina, Union, Mass Communication, 400 level.
Great Nigeria students, put your hands together, come on, celebrate them as they come. On behalf of Honorable Pius Alile Coalition, congratulations, congratulations.
Sunday, Mayowa Victoria, Union, Chemistry, 300 level.
Of the greatest of them. And I know they carry that on for now. So na this school, sir. Put a blessing.
Okay, I'll call it now. Sunday, Mayowa Victoria. Has he collected? Okay.
On behalf of Honorable Pius Alile Coalition, congratulations. Please let's celebrate her.
Union Medicine.
On behalf of Honorable Pius Alile Coalition, congratulations, congratulations there.
Wade Gladness, is it Gladness? Union Medicine.
On behalf of Honorable Pius Alile Coalition, congratulations. Odige Victoria. On behalf of Honorable Pius Alile Coalition, congratulations, congratulations.
As Senator Osamande Favor, Union Microbiology, 200 level.
On behalf of Honorable Pius Alile Coalition, congratulations, sir.
Thank you very much. Clap for Dr. Mary Alile, alias Capacity. I'm going to call on Chief Osawaru, our honorable representative, representing Oriolo, Weda Federal Constituency. Number 21, Omoruyi Maris, Better Polytechnic Mass Communication, N100.
On behalf of Honorable Pius Alile's Coalition, I present this bursary award to you. Congratulations.
Samuel Onishi Oyemosa, Auchi Police, alert. ND1. Samuel Onishi Oyemosa.
On behalf of Honorable Pius Alile Coalition, I present this bursary award to you. Congratulations.
Akaze Onosotale Marvelous, Uniben, Industrial Chemistry, 200 level. Where is he?
Pius Alile Coalition, I present this bursary award to you. Congratulations.
Michael Idowo, Warren, Uniben, Mason, 300 level.
Honorable Pius Alile Coalition, I present this bursary award to you. Congratulations.
Owobu Theophilus, Uniben, Microbiology, 300 level.
Pius Alile Coalition, I present this bursary award to you. Congratulations.
Aji Chioma, Uniben. Mechatronics. Is it mechatronics? I don't know what that. Mechanical electronics.
On behalf of Honorable Pius Alile Coalition, I present this bursary award to you. Congratulations.
Honoria Uyoyo, Uniben, these at me, 400 level.
Bursary award to you. Congratulations.
Now the way I take grow. When I dey grow, when I dey small pikin, I no know book. Out of 44, I go carry 44. I no dey pass well because of suffer. I know wetin if person no get help. I know wetin as they dey affect education. So as I come fit grow now, God come help me. Now make me dey help children, so that the one wey dey struggle go also help am. So it's because at a point in my life, I also see people who help me. So that is why we have been doing this over the last 10 years. I will continue to do it. By the grace of God, now 6 million I will give students. So by the grace of God, we dey pray, make God help us. Next year, my target, make I give 12 million. That be my target for next year. So because these children deserve our help. We don't know them, it doesn't matter. But what matters is that we are affecting life, we are influencing life. In near future, they will remember this kind gesture. You understand? The people who help me when they grow, I don't forget them. I don't fit. Because at a point they intervene. Your things are small money, but it they help a lot. So what we have done today is, by the grace of God, I will continue to do it. We interview them now, we screen them, we interview them, we find out if they're in school. We also find out their socio-economic condition. So we know them because of the interview. When we interview them, we screen them well. So the people who even screen them may not they are part of the panel, the independent panel. So now, and I trust them. They not be politicians. They don't know these people. So they applied, 600 people applied, and they shortlisted 60. So it was tough for them. But I did pray, say I get money, I forgive the 600 when I apply. That is what I aim to do in the future.
Mama, if you tell Nigerian people, Edo people, Ego people, Edo South people, your full names.
My name is Dr. Mrs. Mary Alile. People still they add AKA capacity. That be my name.
The program when it just take place not too long just now, we'll be all of us now for this place. We see and say you did very, very active for the matter. If you tell our people your role, who you be, and how you be, and what will be the program, and where the direction of the program they go, where they come from.
Okay, like I talked just now, I say my name is Dr. Mrs. Mary Alile. So if you put one and one together, you'll know that me be the madam when sit down for the Alile dynasty. So now me be Honorable Pius Alile wife. So, and this program what we do today, now very, very important program, because the youth of Edo State now be our future. So this program what we do today, when my husband put together today to give money to all the students when they school, that be small matter. Because in as we all of us we go school, we know how school level be. School fees there. You go buy handouts, you go buy a textbook, you go buy material, you go eat. So some of these our children they struggle well. Now got to say, okay, make we try, make we give them small money so that we fit help them. Cushion all the suffer when they school. Now 4 years program, you know, say some of them now they go come spend 8 years, they go come spend many years, but we just want maybe say small thing we finish their hand. So today now 60 people now we support with 100,000 naira each, may they take assist them for their school matter. And not be only people for Edo State, not be only one university. There are people that will come from Auchi, a lot of them come from Uniben. People will come from different universities for Edo State. And we as a family, we dey try our possible best to still give as God still bless us. Because may you remember say, not be who get now they give, now who they give now they give. And the small thing will be say we go fit do, now we still they do so. And I want to use this opportunity to reach out to people and be say, God bless you. May you still try bless another person. And this blessing when I talk, so not because say I go bless my pikin, bless my papa, bless my auntie, bless my uncle, come bless my generation. May you reach out to somebody when you don't know before. Now that one not be blessing, no. Reach out to a person when you don't know before. Get one songwriter when he sing, he say reach out and touch somebody's hands. Make this world a better place if you can. That what they do.
How body they do you when you see yourself and your husband they do good to people? How your body, how you they feel?
You see, because me too, I be Christian. The Bible talks say the person when lend to the poor, he say lend to God. So that is so tell you say if I give to the poor, now God now I give unto, and God when we give unto, now go refund back all this money. My brother, we want carry and go. So make sure say this generation when me dey so I go make sure say I put my footprint for the sand of time, so that when me too I comot for this world, dem no go just talk say she don die, but dem go talk say see person when she help, see person when she reach. Like Dorcas, I'm a Dorcas of this generation. A lot of people dey call me mother of Israel. In fact I get plenty pikin, and I no want me I dey see people dey suffer, and that is why even me myself, my NGO na women empowerment and the girl child. I have passion for women. Even next week now I go still launch widows, sister to sister widows. I need women to stand on their feet and be able to do something as their own person be.
You fit chook mouth for small advice for parents and the students wey be say this thing una give us so e no go fit be waste at the end of the day.
I wan advise our parents, if you don put your pikin for school, make you still advise that pikin say wetin dey tell you make you go do for school, make you put your eye for them, because you know say the way our country be so, a lot of distractions. So that is my advice to the students. You dey go school, go learn, sit down. If na 4 years, sit down make you learn. If na 5 years, make sure say you take your qualification comot for inside that place. Na that one na the advice wey I get for our students and for our mama and our papa. If there is something you can leave for your child, na education, because education, the doors wey dey open no be here. All this one dey talk say for Nigeria dey say who education help, try who illiteracy help. Education is the key. So, and I want maybe say our children make dem dey educated.
Thank you very much, ma.
Thank you very much.
Very glad and very happy, and the thing they jollificate my belly inside. You know, as what people go to say, a guy they take do me inside, and the man don't try for the area and he don't try for the community. I say, may bless and well there for us. Yeah.
As I be beneficiary for this program, I really dey happy because this one will help us meet our needs. You know, say as person in day school sometimes, you know, go easy to take like money. When money not dey come, school not dey sweet and interest for you. But now as we don't get scholarship, it will help us to meet most of our needs. And we pray, say, may God bless Pius Alile. So I feel reach other students.
This is now one man, what they call Honorable Pius Alile. You know, he get a coalition initiative, and from time immemorial, they give scholarship, they give award, they give bursaries to students, and you know, say education for life, na power. They make you the fit, they relate with people where you not even relate with before. They improve your status for society. They remove you from poverty, and so for man like this, way they do for over 10 years now, we supposed to commend them, and that's why me come here today. Can do what I do, and I'm happy for them well. I want make government still encourage many more people like you know, to do. People will get money pass on many, but it use in money to develop human capacity, and you know what it be. If we fit develop people through education, many crime go come out for ground. Many people go there engage thereafter now and go help their families, and you know the multiplier effect might speak that big Oyibo. It go enter communities. Communities go improve. The quality of life and everything go improve. So the man, na correct man. The advice when I get for these children, so when he get this award, they say them be very quality person. They select them because they feel say they know what thing that they do, and they know say their background not too strong. And so this money where they give you, so if you know, you go use them for the purpose of this education, because time go come, you yourself, taking a cue from where they come from, you go use and take better, you know, orders, you go still spin them. So not spend them saying for groove, not be for fun, not to go club, but to pay your school fees, buy your handout, buy books, and, you know, improve, you know, the status of your family.
I feel glad. I know feel happy. You've accepted me one kimi. As I see my name for the bursary list, do I take jump off my bed? And I want to use this medium to thank the PICL, this thing, and Honorable Pius Alile for what he does do. And I don't touch our life, University of Benin, and all students. Thank you, sir. God bless you.
When you get people, they do good thing like this. If other people, they copy them. Imagine the set of students where they give bursary today. When they don't still be people for society, they themselves go want do this kind of thing for others who still they come. So I think in a tradition where we're supposed to copy for our society. And well, now I made them use them well. because this money easy to make. For one man to come out like this, bring the money, come out, can't help people where they not relate to them by blood. Now big deal. So make the students to make them use the money well, so that tomorrow they go feel look back, say this now waiting I use this money to become, and that way they themselves go want help others, and others where then they help to go use the money well.
The thing where our friend Honorable Pius Alile they do, they give bursary to young people now to prepare them through education, so that when they grow, they will feel be the proper leaders where Nigeria need, where our society need, where we feel solve the problems where they worry everybody for our. The thing they very good, and we say make other people they follow the example. Other people where God bless, not be only for them and for their children, for their families. Make them they stretch hand of support to other people where not get papa, where not get mama, where not get person where fit help them. So the example where Pius Alile they give, na very good one, and I encourage other people, make them follow the example where Pius Alile they show.
For this great gesture where they do, we know say at least when the prof they give lecture just now, say education, now be the basic thing, now be the bedrock of the society, and for somebody to begin the support on that person where one go school, to encourage them to go ahead, make poor for school. Now, wonderful thing. So I want to appreciate Honorable Pius, and I want to say, may this one not just be the first and the last. May, by the grace of God, continue. May God continue to strengthen her. May God continue to provide for her. And to the student, may they not just say like free money. Say may they go and buy jeans. May they really make sure say they put on for their education. And I know say if they reply, more will come. I know this is not just going to be the first and the last. And some of us, when you don't see what Honorable Pius Alile they do, you don't see our heart to see equally see assist and to do. So now wonderful program, and I just pray may keep her up.